If money was easy to create, wouldn't life get easier? That's what we have been told, right? Print more, borrow more, spend more, and somehow everything gets better. But here's the truth: easy money is not free money. It is just the pain kicked down the road, and that road ends with you, me, and our future together. Today, I want to show you the hidden cost of easy money, how fiat currency distorts our behavior, destroys savings, and fuels debt-driven chaos. So, let's go. Let's start with the basics. Fiat money, like the Canadian dollar or US dollar, is created by central banks through commercial bank lending. They don't mine it, they don't earn it, they just type into existence, just like punching numbers on the keyboard. This ability to print money sounds harmless until you realize what it does to everything else. When money is easy to create, governments borrow endlessly. Consumers are pushed to spend more. Businesses chase growth at any cost. It creates a feedback loop of consumption over production, and that changes how we think. Here's the most obvious symptom: inflation. You earn $100, but every year your money buys less, isn't it? Groceries, rent, gas, it all goes up. Not because you're doing worse, but because the money itself is losing value. Inflation is a hidden tax. You don't see it, you don't realize it, but you're paying for it through your loss of purchasing power. And the worst part, governments need it. They will always choose deflation over inflation. Why? Because that's the only way they can inflate away debt, devalue promises like healthcare and retirement, and quietly transfer wealth from savers to spenders. That's the hidden cost of easy money. You're footing the bill without even knowing it. Sound money like gold or Bitcoin makes people think long term. Why? Because savings makes sense when money holds value. But fiat money, it encourages spending now, because waiting means losing purchasing power consistently. And so we have built a culture that lives on credit, measures success by quarterly earnings, and treats tomorrow like an afterthought. From individual to government, we have become addicted to now at the cost of future. We keep hearing the economy grew by 3%, right? GDP is up, so we should be doing good. But what they don't tell you is how that growth happened. It wasn't from productivity or innovation, it was borrowed growth from the future, fueled by cheap debt and government spending. It's like maxing out your credit card and calling it income. That's not growth, that's survival disguised as success. And eventually the debt gets so big that paying the interest becomes the economy. Have you noticed the US government is paying more interest on their debt than spending on defense? We are already there. The scariest cost of easy money, it erodes trust in our leaders, in currency, and in each other. When saving is punished and speculation is rewarded, societies drift towards fragility. Dogecoin. That's what we are seeing right now. Record wealth gaps, housing unaffordability, generations feeling hopeless. Look at the young people, they have no desire or hope to get on a property ladder. And at the root of it all is money. That's too easy to create. If this has opened eyes, then you should take a look at my course that I designed to understand macro fundamentals, to explain the root causes, not just the symptoms. Link in the description below. And if you want to build wealth with people who think differently, join our WhatsApp community. It's a place for long-term thinkers in the short-term world. Because once you understand how money works, you will never be fooled again. On that note, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and send this to someone who's tired of running harder just to stay in the same place. See you the next one. I just wanted to let you know that I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the individuals who are looking to discuss their financial planning, their investment strategies, their kids' education planning, their immigration moves, as well as the young professionals, because I have been in the tech industry for almost 20 years. So I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the young professionals who are looking to have their career development discussion with me, and also personal branding as well. So if you are looking to have some sort of an expert opinion, there is a calendar link in the description below. book a 30 minutes call with me and I will be more than happy to help you out.